The Data Ownership Protocol, or DOP for short, has confirmed that they will be releasing an airdrop for people that interact with their testnet. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can qualify for this simple airdrop without having to spend any money and just a couple minutes of your time. Now, in order to qualify for this airdrop from the Data Ownership Protocol, you only have to complete 8 simple steps, each of which is only going to take you maybe a minute or two to complete. I've already done this with one of my other wallets, and today I'm going to walk you through how to do it with a fresh wallet. And I will include a link to the DOP Twitter page as well as their testnet page where you need to complete these tasks down in the description of this video. So this is how it works. Once you visit the testnet page, you need to agree to the terms and conditions and then enter in a valid email address. Once you have completed that, you're going to want to either create a new wallet or import a pre-existing wallet. Now, at this stage, if this is your first time interacting with the protocol and the testnet, I'm assuming you're going to need to create a new wallet just like I am. So once you select create new wallet, you need to enter in a password. Next, the website is going to generate for you a secret recovery phrase, which is a series of 12 words that are going to allow you to recover your wallet if you ever lost the device that you're doing this on. So make sure that you write down this phrase somewhere safe and secure, and then confirm it in the next step. Once you write down your phrase and confirm it, you are ready to go. The wallet is set up. Now, it's not actually a wallet like an attachment or an extension to your browser. It's simply built into the application, the website itself. So go ahead and hit continue and copy down the secret key to the wallet as well. Next, it's going to prompt you to enter in your password, which you just created. And we are now into the DOP, or Data Ownership Protocol's testnet. So go ahead and hit start now. And this is the step where we need to connect a MetaMask wallet because we're going to do some stuff that involves testnet ETH from the Sepolia testnet. So go ahead and connect your MetaMask wallet. And now we just need to complete those 8 simple steps in order to qualify for this airdrop. So the first step is actually to sign in with your Twitter account and to follow the DOP team on Twitter. Very simple, takes you a couple seconds, and now you can move on to the next step, which is to claim some Sepolia testnet ETH. And we're going to need this to complete the next few steps in this process. So just simply hit the claim button here, and then it's going to automatically send some Sepolia ETH to the MetaMask wallet account that you just connected to this app. Next, we need to claim the testnet DOP, which is the token that you will be airdropped on the actual mainnet once it goes live. But for starters, you need to add the contract address for that token to your MetaMask wallet, and the contract address is right here. So simply hit on that button here with the MetaMask logo and then click add token. Once you've done that, you can hit the claim button and it will pop up in your wallet asking you to confirm the transaction, and you'll be spending a small amount of the testnet ETH that you just claimed as well. That is 3 of 8 steps done. The next step, step 4, we need to claim some tokens, and these are all of the different testnet tokens that we're going to be claiming. So you can just simply hit on this button here that says claim, and it's going to add all of them to your wallet for a small transaction fee, again in testnet ETH. So this is costing you literally $0. Now, one thing that you can actually do as well is add these token contracts to your MetaMask wallet by hitting on the little MetaMask logo here. So that will add USDT to my wallet, and I can do the same thing for USDC and so on and so forth. So make sure that you add these different tokens to your wallet as well. And if I actually open up my MetaMask wallet, you can see that I have a little bit of that testnet ETH that I already claimed, as well as all of these different testnet tokens. And that's what we're going to use for step 5, which is to encrypt assets. Now, at this point, I could briefly say that the entire purpose of this protocol is to protect your privacy. And so what you're doing with this is encrypting tokens for confidential transactions, but this is just on the testnet. However, once they actually release live on the mainnet, you will get airdropped those DOP tokens, and you will be able to use this network to complete confidential transactions if that's something that you're interested in. So in order to complete step 5, hit on the get started button, and this is where you can select which token you want to encrypt. Remember, we just added all of these different testnet tokens. So let's just do USDT, the first one, and then select the amount that you want to encrypt. So just let's say half. Then when you hit the encrypt button, it's going to pop up here and ask you to confirm a transaction in your MetaMask wallet. Actually, 2 transactions. The first one is to approve the spending, and the second one is to actually encrypt the assets. So here's the second transaction, and I'll go ahead and confirm that one as well. Okay, that was successful. So I have now encrypted 5,000 DOP USDT testnet tokens. The next step is to practice sending them to an encrypted address. So you can simply copy the address that's listed here for you, hit copy, hit get started, and then when you select the token, make sure you select one that you've already encrypted, paste in the wallet address that you're going to send it to, and then select the amount. So let's say I send, again, half of the encrypted assets to this new wallet address. And make sure that you don't send all of them, otherwise you'll have to go back and redo the first process in the next step. So once you've filled all that out, go ahead and hit on the send button and then confirm. And it's gonna ask you to confirm, again, 2 transactions in your wallet. Okay, that was successful. So I'll go ahead and close that and move on to the next step, which is to decrypt some of the assets that I just encrypted. So hit get started, select the asset that you want to decrypt, and then select the amount. So let's just say 2,000. Enter in your wallet password that you remember from the beginning, select decrypt, and then confirm the transaction in your wallet once again. Okay, that was completed, and that is 7 of 8 steps done. As you can see, this only takes a couple of minutes. And the final thing that you need to do to be eligible to claim the airdrop is to refer 3 people to complete all of these same tasks. So once you complete 7 of 8 steps, simply copy your referral link and then send it to other people and get them to do the same thing. Or conversely, you can simply use a different wallet and refer yourself, essentially. But yeah, just complete these simple steps and then you will be eligible for the DOP airdrop, which is expected to be launched in Q1 2024. Now, in terms of the potential value of this token, nobody knows at this stage. However, it's pretty safe to say that since this is so low cost and low effort for you, then any free money is obviously worthwhile. I highly recommend completing these simple steps, and who knows, maybe you'll actually get a lucrative airdrop from it in the next few months. So hopefully you found this little tutorial helpful, and good luck.